And we do stuff like that all the time. Okay. You want to hold that one in? Hold that. Make sure you don't touch anything. Now, say we added baking soda, food coloring, and we make a chemical reaction on the volcano.
Yes, that's true.
There it goes. I got all. Well, I didn't do it that great. It's supposed to be on your side. Ah, it's erupting. It's green lava. Here, watch this. I'm gonna have some fun. I should not do it like this. I know I'm gonna get in trouble for doing this, but kid, do not try this at home. Say, Daddy is crazy because he does crazy things. Yay! Look at that! The heart turned green.
Like the Wicked Witch of the West. Of course, Daddy is.
Do you want me to say what I think? No. Oh, Daddy's a Wicked Witch?
Yeah.
Alright, see if Daddy's nice to you anymore. I'll just clean all that up. There we have our mountain, and on top of that, Valentine's Day stuff comes in handy because you don't make a mess. What'd you think, Grace? Is that pretty neat how that explodes like that?
Mr. Oliver might see it too.
Well, that's okay. He's one of Daddy's friends. He's a great guy. What do you think?
It turned light green, now it's turning dark green.
And it's a chemical reaction in the top, too. Alrighty. What do you think? Okay. Already hard. Okay.